Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we are going to talk about Mr. Bossy E. Did you know that the letter E can be a bossy letter when you find him at the end of a word? I know. Well, he sure can. He wants to be the big boss. And when he sees another vowel that's in the middle of the word, he looks at that vowel and says, "Hey, you, say your name." And then he keeps his voice quiet. Let's take a look at how that works. So here we have bossy E. If the vowel in the middle is I, we say I when we see the I, and the E at the end stays quiet because he's being a boss to that letter I. Here's another way to do it. If we have a letter at the beginning, I in the middle, bossy E at the end, this says I've. I've. See how E stays quiet? Here he is again saying, I say your name. So the I says I'd. I'd. Okay, are you ready to practice that? Oh, that bossy E, he can be a bad guy. So here I have a word with the I in the middle, that's my vowel, and bossy E at the end. So bossy E is telling I to say its name. So we have the word side, side. If we take and change that, now we have wide, ride, tide, hide. Now, what happens when we change the D? Well, when we change that D, we still have the same sound for the I and the E. So we have I, V, hive. Now the word says hive. Let's make a few more words. We also have dive, live, and five. See how that works? I in the middle says its name. Bossy E at the end is quiet, and we can read all sorts of words that way. Side again. Isn't that cool? Thanks for reading with me, and thanks for taking your time to learn more about this bossy E.